This YouTube channel, yes, sure, it's about talking about photographies and videographies and tutorial about different softwares, my opinion, your opinion, and most importantly, me trying to tell you how to use something, right? But this is something more than that to me. And I totally understand if you don't get it. A person's life, any way you can, you have already done a good job. And in my case, my channel is about 5,000 something subscribers. And very often I do get critics and beautiful notes, donations and all that. When I see them and when I read them, I feel this is too personal to me, because think about it for a second. I am getting a message from someone that I don't know, and they don't know me personally, from another part of the world, sometimes giving me money out of their pocket, which is, think about it. It's you're giving me money which is hard earned, which means I did something valuable. Just for a second, that think about it, how that makes me feel. And I realized that this is exactly what I wanted all my life for many reasons. And I know that a lot of people do want to help other person, and because there are a lot of good people around the world, which is true. We don't see them, we don't hear about them. We hear all the noises, empty spot that's supposed to be filled with love, I'm guessing, because I never had a hug from my parents. They were really busy fighting with themselves, a horrible marriage. So I grew up without, emotional love. My father, my parents gave me everything I need, like food, house, school. I didn't die on the street, but there is nothing emotional about it. So I think deep inside, profoundly, this channel is one of my many ways to make people, frankly, accept me, love me, and you can say that it's a bit selfish, but truly, I mean, there are two things going on at the same time. One, that yes, I'm trying to be accepted in the society, and I'm trying to get compliments from and love from other person, which is nice. But I also realize that this will never replace the parental love that I missed. But there is another one. Because I am not rich financially, there is nothing financially I can do. I mean, I see all these billionaires. Probably there are a lot of billionaires that are doing nice work, but there are many more of them. I find them a little bit greedy. So what I'm trying to do here is trying to help whoever I can by doing this work. In this case, photography, and in future, probably something else. Probably sharing my own story about how I managed to survive, and people can take something out of it, and who knows, it might help them to turn their life around. So yeah, overall, what I wanted to say here is that, first of all, thank you for your support, and you know who you are. And I want to let you know that, all this YouTube is really for me than for others. And I have to be honest about it. It is true. I'm doing it for me, because I'm searching for the meaning of life, and I'm searching for love. Even though I'm an adult, my wife loves me, my daughter, well, but sometimes it's an ups and downs. So I continue doing what I do, and photography saved my life because I was a drug addict, and photography is what turned me around. So I will never forget that. And this is my, let's say, homage to photography. There are much better people than me. They are doing amazing work. They are really good in front of the camera. They know how to speak. But I tell you one thing, that whatever I'm doing, it's coming from the heart. So if I get critic, I will take them as positive thing, meaning people are caring enough to tell me what I'm doing wrong. And that's beautiful. I'm going through some financial problems. I'm telling you shamelessly. It's not a big deal. I just have to make sure that I manage my next month's salary, next month's rent. It's because I've been out of work for a year because of my mental health. I think everything should be fine. However, after helping your own family, yourself, and whoever you think that deserve, if you have any extra, I will take it. Can't believe that I'm asking. But yeah, that how desperate I am. And I thought, you know what? But for once I could keep my ego aside and be honest and open and just ask for help. There. Thank you.